Well, hey everybody, I'm Paul Gross. We had a lot of cloud cover today, and the hope is that maybe we get a few breaks in those clouds during the overnight hours. The model is certainly suggesting that, but it's by no means guaranteed. And even if we do get those breaks, the bad news is that the clouds are going to roll right back in, and even if we start Sunday with a break of sun, I think it's mainly a cloudy day. Despite what you see here on the model, I think we don't see any raindrops or snowflakes, at least raindrops, until late afternoon. I think most of the daylight hours should be dry. But again, late afternoon, a few scattered showers start breaking out, and then those showers increase in coverage as we move into Sunday night and get into that warm sector. That warm sector will warm our temperatures up too. So the high tomorrow is actually going to be in the evening, not during the afternoon. Now that cold front comes through, that will briefly change the rain over to snow. The best chance for that is up in the thumb, and then during the day on Monday, windy, colder, temperatures fall to around freezing, and we have some scattered snow showers in the offing, but not looking for much in the way of accumulation here on this forecast. I mean, this Sunday night storm, again, with the storm track to the west of us, which most of them have been so far this season, we don't get much in the way of snow on the backside of these things, so you can see not much. So as far as my snow meter is concerned, we're just going to call this meh. In fact, it's worse than meh because with the rain, we're going to take away the snow that we have on the ground. I mean, I saw some kids sledding today. You can still see some grass, but there was enough snow for the kids to sled, but we're going to lose that snow real quick. All right, let's fast forward now to the New Year's storm. First of all, we'll pick it up Wednesday morning. Even if we get a few snowflakes Wednesday morning, I don't think that's going to be very impactful. What is going to be impactful is going to be the rain coming in. We're going to have a front that's going to be very slow to move through because we're going to have at least two waves of low pressure riding northeastward along the front. That impedes the eastward progress. So waves of rain coming in, and it could come down pretty good at times. I'm thinking we could pick up in fact, well over an inch of rain total from this thing. New Year's Eve itself looks really wet and sloppy, just wet. And the ground now, the surface of the ground is frozen. And so this rain we get, it's going to run off. It doesn't soak into the ground. So there could even be flooding issues if we get too much of this rain in too short a period of time. And then, now this is early New Year's Day. This is 4 a.m. Look what happens on New Year's Day. We might get a changeover to snow. Now, it's way too early to get specific. This may end up being not much. It may end up being some accumulation. We'll have to see. But just suffice it to say, the start of the new year is going to be a rather active one weather-wise. All right, so for the day tomorrow, we start off at 20 degrees. That's tonight's low with partial clearing tonight. And then tomorrow, we're dealing with temperatures rising into the mid-30s by afternoon, and then upper 30s, even 40 degrees by Sunday evening. And again, most of the rain is going to be Sunday night. And then here's a 7-day forecast. Monday, temperatures, again, falling through the 30s. Windy, scattered snow showers, cold. Tuesday, the most sunshine of the week. Upper 20s, light wind. That's actually be a pretty decent day. Then that rain develops either late Wednesday or Wednesday night. Continues into Friday morning. So this is going to be a period, quite an extended period of rain right through New Year's Eve into the New Year's morning, and then perhaps changing to snow on New Year's Day, as I mentioned. And then finally, starting this next weekend, the first weekend of 2021, we break back into some sunshine and normal winter temperatures.